Will artificial intelligence replace programmers? This is a question that has been asked time and time again with the advancement in technology. But with any technological advancement, there are pros and cons. And in this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of AI and programming to see if programmers are really at risk of being replaced by machines. Hello and welcome back. My name is Fumilayo Tobo from Vet Media, and in this video we will be talking about AI replacing programmers. First, let's talk about what AI actually is. AI at its core is a computer system that can learn, reason, and make decisions on its own. It is designed to replicate human cognitive abilities such as problem solving and decision making. However, AI is only as good as the data it's fed, and it still requires human input to function. So, can AI really replace programmers? The answer is both yes and no. While AI can automate certain tasks such as code analysis and debugging, it is unlikely to replace human programmers altogether. That's because programming requires more than just writing codes. It requires creativity, problem-solving skills, and the ability to think critically. These are the skills that AI currently lacks. In fact, AI can actually assist programmers in their work. By automating routine tasks, programmers can focus on more important aspects of their job, such as designing and implementing complex algorithms. AI can also help with testing and quality assurance, which can save time and resources in development process. But there are also some potential downside to AI in programming. One concern is that AI could lead to the decrease in demand for human programmers. As AI become more advanced, this could lead to job losses and a shift in the job market. Additionally, there are ethical concerns around the use of AI, such as bias and privacy issues. However, the reality is that AI is still in its early stages, and it is impossible to predict exactly how it will impact the programming industry in the long term. What we do know is that programming requires a lot of unique set of skills and expertise that AI can't replicate. And as technology continues to evolve, programmers will need to adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant. So, will AI replace programmers? The answer is a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. While AI can automate certain tasks and assist programmers in their work, it is unlikely to completely replace human programmers. Programming requires a unique set of skills and expertise that AI currently lacks. And as technology continues to evolve, programmers need to adapt and learn new skills to stay ahead. So do not worry yet about AI taking your job. Focus on honoring your skills and staying ahead of the curve. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.